how can you create a new group in Signal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to create a new group in Signal, you just simply have to open your Signal application. And after opening the Signal application, you will get to see this pen icon into bottom right corner side. Just simply tap into that pencil option and then you will get this option of new group. Just simply select the new group option and you can just simply select members in order to add into this group. Now I'm skipping it because I don't have any members to add. Now you'll just simply have to name your group. I'm naming this group as demo group for now. Now you can select if you want to enable disappearing message into your group or not. Then tap to create into the bottom right corner and then your group will successfully be created. This way you can very easily create a group in Signal. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video.